And it's now time, ladies and gentlemen, for our historic six-man Hell in a Cell match.
Historic is right. And I think it's worth mentioning that the first time we saw six superstars all squaring off inside Hell in a Cell was all the way back in December of 2000 at Armageddon.
Oh my God!
This is what I'm talking about.
Look who's in the house!
And his opponent, first, from Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 317 pounds, Big Daddy Cool Diesel!
One of the all-time greats in WWE history, Big Daddy Cool.
One of the best big men of all time, Big Daddy Cool, looking to wreak a little havoc.
The swag, the saunter, there is only one Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
Byron, hearing you use the word swag somehow makes even Big Daddy Cool less cool.
I thought it sounded fine.
The monster among men is here!
And weighing in at 385 pounds, Braun Strowman!
The earth is trembling with each step.
Here's a man who won the greatest Royal Rumble in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. He beat the Bar at WrestleMania while teaming with a 10-year-old kid, and he won the Money in the Bank contract.
Yeah, you start to feel like there's nothing Braun Strowman can't do.
Well, there is one thing we know for a fact Braun Strowman can't do, and that is be stopped. The monster among men is unbelievable.
It's Mike. Here comes Killer Mike, bitch. Mike the Killer. Attention, it's Mike. Damn, here comes Killer Mike. Mike the Killer. It's Mike.
Gentlemen, are you ready for this Hell in a Cell action coming up?
Not only are we ready, Cole, but would you listen to this crowd? I would say they're more than ready to get this Hell in a Cell match underway.
Attention, it's Mike. Damn, here comes Killer Mike. Mike the Killer. It's Mike.
And from Manchester, England, weighing in at 256 pounds, the British Bulldog!
A true powerhouse in every sense of the word. One of the most powerful superstars ever to grace a WWE ring. And a man whose bark and bite are equally as lethal.
Made his debut on the independent circuit of the United Kingdom in 1977 has influenced countless superstars of today.
Yeah, like you.
I'll be back. 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 I am the Terminator. Steel and fire. No soul, no mercy. Cold desire. Machine of death. I hunt. I kill. Terminate. Cold dozer. Bend your will. Metal bones. Red eyes ignite. I crush your world. I own the fight.
From
No
New York,
escape. No
weighing
second
in
breath.
at 243 pounds, the machine, Arnold.
Terminate your fate, erase the line. I am the end, I am the war. Terminator forevermore. Terminator forevermore. Terminator.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
I am the Terminator. Steel and fire. No soul, no mercy. Cold desire. I'll be back. 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 I am the Terminator. Steel and fire. No soul, no mercy. Cold desire.
Caught him with a big boot.
On the mark.
Wow, talk about knowing where you're at all times. He's left wide open here.
I don't think he even realizes it. He looks dazed.
It's about to get bad.
Oh, debilitating elbow drop. Just a nasty headbutt.
This might be it.
Oh my. You gotta believe this one's over. Ooh.
He's taking some offense. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Ooh! This is exactly how he drew this one up.
Beautiful technique.
Woo-wee.
And he dodges out of the way. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Wow.
Boom, what impact. The O'Reilly combo.
Can he finish the job? Up and down. Boom. Beautiful.
Now that's what I call making a statement. Yeah, few superstars are as acrobatic.
He looks absolutely exhausted. He's absolutely running on fumes right now.
And things look bleak right now.
Yeah, this is hard to watch now. I mean, he is taking quite a beating in there. Harsh impact.
Nailed it.
Ooh, what impact. Back in the ring now.
He's always had the ability to take it up a notch.
Man, this is what makes him one of the best in the business. Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh, Strowman dodged that one.
Oh, nasty impact.
of WWE's most alpha personalities all competing.
What a strike! I knew it was only a matter of time.
What's he gonna do with it? Man, that hurts.
What does Braun Strowman need to do now to remain a factor in this match?
He doesn't want to let this match get out of control, guys.
He's definitely hurting right now, Cole, but he knew exactly what he was getting into when he agreed to a match of this magnitude.
In a back-and-forth match like
Jackknife powerbomb.
this might be it, guys.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Too quick for him there. Oh, backbreaker. Looking for the finish. Oh, it's not going to be pretty. Go to sleep, GTS.
Night-night. Can he finish him off here?
Things just went from bad to worse for Braun Strowman.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Beautiful technique.
Game, set, match. This one is over. You gotta believe this one's over. Strowman is taking no prisoners right here.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Whoa, Strowman dodged that one. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he was rolling.
Avoids trouble there.
Military
Press slam.
I don't remember the last time I saw Strowman
Jackknife powerbomb.
just when you thought he had nothing left.
Oh my gosh, from what heights? But can he follow up here?
The O'Reilly combo.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Hellacious power slam. But can Strowman follow up here? That'll readjust your spine.
Oh man, what a leg drop.
Diesel just too quick.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Wow, the British Bulldog is being controlled now.
Oh, and he connects.
There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Impactful slam.
British Bulldog is going to have to improvise because he's not seeing any benefit to this current strategy.
He started this match in great health, but now it seems fatigue has set in. This might be it. Oh, my. Ooh, what impact. Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
At the arm. Oh, what impact.
Wow, I thought he was a goner. Wave that Union Jack because here comes the...
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. Just as ruthless as the first time we saw him. He's always had the ability to take it up a notch.
Oh man, he hit hard. Man, what impact.
What a comeback.
Make it over. Harsh impact.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of the match, guys. Diesel's just getting overwhelmed.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Braun Strowman. Oh, Strowman dodged that one. Oh, Braun Strowman slamming into the mat.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Elbow drop with authority.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Takes him down in a major way, too. Nailed it. Nobody controls the
Beautiful technique.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Gonna be woozy after that impact. Vicious strike. What a strike. Right on the mark.
Showing off some of his speed there.
Down they go.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. And if he hits this, this one's over. This might be it.
Oh my.
What a clothesline. Ouch.
And what a reversal from the British Bulldog.
You gotta believe this one's over. Headbutt.
And what a reversal from the British Bulldog.
Boom, what impact. Lariat. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole. Oh, nasty impact.
The old European uppercut. Braun Strowman doing a great job of turning that around.
He's always had the ability to take it up a notch.
Oh man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Just breaking down the opponent. Oh, nice belly to back.
That could be a game changer.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
The British Bulldog gets out of the way quickly.
Talk about rocking the jaw.
Ooh, that kick could be a game changer.
He gets him with a reversal.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Let's see that again.
Definitely worth a second look.
He's got him here. He's got him up sidewalk. Slam!
Almost drove him through the ring.
Oh my God, not. Oh, what a strike to the back.
Oh, distance there.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Long distance drop.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He might have it. In position for a power bomb.
And that's not a good place to be, Cole.
Power bomb!
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Did you guys feel that too?
Oh, he's such a tough target.
On the back of the neck, what's coming here?
What? Reverse choke slam.
Face first.
This one is over.
Wow, what impact! Look at Braun Strowman stalking him.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, he's got him up high.
Oh, using the knee as a weapon.
Oh, and it's a reversal.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Harsh impact.
And there's his speed paying off. Drop kick.
Beautiful.
Diesel has eyes to finish. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
Ooh, what impact. Diesel just too quick. He has him right where he wants him.
He's amped up, that's for sure.
Beautiful technique.
Harsh impact.
One more time.
Why not?
Oh, he turns it around. Boom, what impact. Not so fast. Chaos, melee, pandemonium.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what impact.
The monster among men picks his opponent up. Oh my gosh, from what heights?
Yes, taste it. How about another look at some of the highlights?
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell. These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell.
Here is your winner, Braun Strowman.
Talk about having to dig down deep to pick up the win.
Any way you slice it, that win right there is beyond important.
And as we expected.